Hi everyone, Antonette here and welcome. Today we're in my upstairs hallway, which apparently has a very big echo, but I hope you don't mind that. But today I'm going to be decorating this hallway in pink for fall. And I did get a little bit of a head start in my Shine Pink video from last month. That was in honor of breast cancer. Today it's going to be all about fall, and I'm going to be adding a little bit more to what I started in that last video from last month, and I'll show you how it all comes together and hopefully looks really pretty. So I hope you'll join me. I'm so happy to be hosting the 1-year anniversary of the Pink Seasonal Decor Challenge, which is an open invitation for all YouTube creators. This video is part of the Pink Fall Decor Challenge. The very first one last year was entitled the Pink Pumpkin Decor Challenge. It was so much fun, and I'm going to link that video in my description box in the event that you have not seen it. I'm absolutely thrilled to have the YouTubers that you see here as my co-hosts. They are Shelly at Pretty Inspired Decor, Shule at My Style, My Colors, and Tammy at Glam Queen of Decor. I'm linking their channels and the playlist link in my description box so you can watch all of their videos as well as those of all the participants. I'm so happy to be doing this, to be celebrating the 1-year anniversary, and I hope that you do enjoy it. My first pink fall display is on this console table here upstairs. So when we take a closer look, you'll see that I have these 5 glass candle holders. They're all at different heights. They're a set, and I placed taper candles inside of them. And I sort of tried to place them so that they looked even on each side. In the middle, I simply placed this plate holder that I really like so much. And in that is this picture frame that I use very often. Both of these pieces here are pieces I use usually in my regular decor. I like the sayings on each side. And I usually just dress up the middle with a colored paper to go with my theme or my season. And then just all around, I've placed these glass sort of iridescent pink pumpkins with gold, and they really bring in the fall. Now, before I show you how I decorate the other little table or cabinet that's here in this hallway, I'm going to show you a very quick little DIY I made that I will be using on the display. Okay, I'm taking these leaves here that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I am taking the strings off of them. They are meant to be signs. I will not use them as signs. I'm going to be painting each slat in a different color. So this color here I mixed for a DIY that I did last year. It's sort of a flesh tone. That's what I was after when I mixed this paint, because I was making a Christmas nutcracker and I wanted to paint his face with a flesh tone. This is what I came up with. It's very light, and it's got the slightest shade of pink in it. I'm going to go over three over from the one I just painted and paint it the same color. And I give it just a nice coat, ensuring to get the edges. And then the next color I'm going to take is this acrylic Tutti Frutti. That's what it's called. It's nice and deep. I'm going to tone it down a little bit with a bit of white paint, not too much, because I do want it to be a bit bright. And I'm mixing, as you can see, and I will be painting the very middle piece or slat in the leaf there. And so I give it a nice coat of this pink. I do go in and give it another coat after. And I just ensure that I'm getting that nicely painted. And it's wonderful that you only need one sort of shade of pink and you can change it into several different shades of pink just by adding white. I could have also changed it by adding a touch of brown or black. I could have deepened it, but I decided to make it a bit lighter. So here I am mixing our third color. This time I'm adding less pink and more white because I would like a shade that's in between the two that I've used. And I'm going to paint the two slats that are left. And you can see that's sort of a bubblegum pink, maybe I would call that. And that might be my favorite shade of the three that I have here on my leaf. I continue to give that a nice coat. When I'm finished with this one, I will also go over to the other one and paint that. Now it's a bit easier to sort of paint this if it were flat on the table, but I do sort of have it propped up because I would like to sort of show you in the video just how quickly and easily this is to do. I know some people are a little, I don't want to say afraid, but they're a little turned off by DIYs, but really it doesn't often take much. And here we go, our finished product. So over here we are brighter and certainly more whimsical. As you can see, those leaves that I made, that I painted, I placed them both on the top shelf. A pumpkin that I sort of DIY'd and embellished a little, I put that on top of a doll chair with a sort of blush pinky rose gold candle holder there. And then when we go down, another one of those pumpkins with a candle that was in our other display, matching, comes as a set. And then just a little pitcher and bowl that's part of my collection with a little pink bow on it. So what did you think? I would love to know your thoughts. I would like to say a big thank you to my co-host for co-hosting with me. Again, we do this seasonally and it's always so much fun. Thank you to the participants. Thank you to you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope I see you in the next video. Take care.